Hey, welcome to this new section. Now, I assume you know how to use variables, how to write functions, and you can tell the difference between different data types in Python. So you should know these things, and if you're not yet confident about those basic concepts, nothing to worry about. You'll use them over and over again as you build the 10 applications along the course. They are the fundamental blocks of the language, so you need them for every program that you'll write. And we'll be using these fundamentals a lot throughout the course. And now we start shifting a bit towards more practical things, and specifically, in this section you will learn how to handle files with Python. So far we worked only with numbers and text and native objects in Python. In this section we will interact with files. So consider Python as a normal program, such as a Notepad editor or even Atom. Let's say Notepad, an editor. So Notepad can open text files and it can also write content in them. And Python can do the same, except you need to use code in the case of Python. So you need to write Python code to open a text file with Python, for instance, or other kinds of files. And you use Python code to grab the text of the text file, and you also do the same if you want to add text to that file, so read and write. And the process is very easy, you just need to practice it a little bit. So you need to practice the commands that do this file handling. And I'll be showing you all the necessary commands throughout the next lectures. These are built-in functions, so no need for third-party Python libraries. And yeah, that's just about the introduction. Let's get our hands dirty with code now. So see you in the next lectures.